Discover the world of bushcraft with essential gear and tools that pave the way for outdoor enthusiasts to thrive in nature's embrace. From versatile multi-tools to rugged survival knives, precision-engineered fire-starting kits to durable shelter-building equipment, mastering the art of bushcraft hinges on having the right implements. Explore the array of gear and tools that empower adventurers to forge a deep connection with the wilderness while honing vital survival skills. I included all the link in video description below. Let's dive in. Number 10. CRKT Wood's Chogan Tomahawk Axe. A fusion of traditional design and modern craftsmanship. Crafted for outdoor enthusiasts, this versatile tool embodies both form and function. With a solid carbon steel head featuring a sharp edge for precise cuts and a hammer back for versatile utility, the Chogan Tomahawk is a true multi-purpose companion. Its hickory handle offers a comfortable grip while adding a touch of classic aesthetics. Whether it's splitting kindling, pounding tent stakes, or tackling various campsite tasks, this axe delivers reliability in various scenarios. From wilderness adventures to backyard projects, the CRKT Wood's Chogan Tomahawk Axe stands as a testament to innovation, durability, and timeless design. A must-have for those who seek dependable performance in the great outdoors. Number 9. Silky NAT Hatchet, the embodiment of precision and craftsmanship. Designed to excel in outdoor tasks, this hatchet combines traditional Japanese blade expertise with modern innovation. The NATA features a razor-sharp, high-carbon steel blade, honed for impeccable sharpness and cutting efficiency. Its ergonomic, non-slip rubber handle ensures a comfortable grip and optimal control during every swing. From clearing trails to woodwork, the NATA excels in versatility and durability. The hatchet's sleek design is not only visually appealing, but also optimized for balance and performance. With the Silky NATA hatchet in hand, outdoor enthusiasts, campers, and woodworkers alike can experience the perfect blend of heritage and innovation, making every task a seamless and satisfying endeavor. Number 8. Scraede SHF59 Full Tang Fixed Blade Bushcraft Survival Knife, your ultimate outdoor companion. Engineered for versatility and resilience, this knife is a testament to Schrade's expertise. The SHF59 boasts a rugged full tang construction, ensuring maximum strength and durability in any situation. Its high-carbon stainless steel blade offers exceptional cutting power and edge retention, making it a reliable tool for bushcraft, survival, and everyday tasks. The ergonomic TPE handle guarantees a secure grip, even in challenging conditions. With a reinforced nylon belt sheath, this knife is easily accessible and ready for action. From crafting shelters to preparing food, the Schrade SHF59 is a dependable partner for adventurers and outdoor enthusiasts, embodying quality and functionality for all your wilderness endeavors. Number 7. 10-Point Venant S440 Crossbow, the epitome of precision and power in the world of crossbow technology. Engineered for performance and accuracy, the Venant S440 redefines hunting experiences. With a blistering speed of 440 feet per second, this crossbow ensures lightning-quick and devastatingly accurate shots. Its revolutionary S1 trigger provides a crisp, consistent pull for enhanced marksmanship. The compact and lightweight design makes maneuvering effortless, while the AQ slide cocking and decocking system simplifies the crossbow's handling. Equipped with a precision CNC machined flight rail and a micro-track barrel, the Venant S440 guarantees tight groupings and unmatched stability. For hunters who demand the best, the 10-Point Venant S440 crossbow stands as the ultimate choice, pushing the boundaries of crossbow performance to unmatched heights. Number 6. Worksharp EDC Pivot Plus Knife Sharpener, the compact yet powerful tool that brings a razor-sharp edge to your everyday carry. Engineered for convenience and efficiency, this sharpener is a must-have for knife enthusiasts. With its adjustable angle guides and 3-stage sharpening process, the Pivot Plus revitalizes dull blades with precision and ease. The ceramic rod tackles fine honing, while the diamond plate takes care of quick touch-ups. Its pivoting design accommodates a wide range of blade shapes and sizes, making it versatile for various cutting tools. Whether you're in the field, kitchen, or workshop, this portable sharpener ensures your knives are always ready for action. Elevate your cutting experience with the Worksharp EDC Pivot Plus Knife Sharpener, where sharpness meets simplicity. Number 5. CRKT Spark and Sharp Fire Starter Knife Sharpener, Magnesium Rod, Striker, Lanyard. The ultimate survival companion designed for the outdoors. This multifunctional tool combines knife sharpening expertise with fire-starting capabilities. Featuring a tungsten carbide sharpener, it ensures your blade stays razor-sharp, vital for any task. But that's not all. With the integrated magnesium rod and striker, the Spark and Sharp lets you ignite fires even in challenging conditions. Its compact design is complemented by a convenient lanyard, ensuring it's always within reach. Whether you're a hiker, camper, or adventurer, this tool streamlines your gear by combining essential functions into one. Elevate your wilderness experience with the CRKT Spark and Sharp Fire Starter Knife Sharpener, where sharp edges and warm fires unite. Number 4. Nordic Pocket Saw, Survival Saw, Camping Saw. The epitome of compact power for survival and camping. Engineered for adventurers who value efficiency, this pocket-sized saw redefines cutting on the go. With its high-strength chain and bidirectional cutting teeth, it effortlessly slices through wood, allowing you to build shelters, gather firewood, or clear paths with ease. The lightweight design and durable nylon handles make it a must-have tool in any outdoor kit. From backcountry expeditions to weekend camping trips, the Nordic Pocket Saw ensures you're always prepared for nature's challenges. When space is a premium, this survival saw offers the solution, blending portability and performance for the ultimate outdoor experience. Embrace the cutting-edge technology of the Nordic Pocket Saw and conquer the wild with confidence. Number 3. Silky Pocket Boy 130 Folding Saw. The compact powerhouse designed to redefine outdoor cutting. Engineered by Silky, a brand synonymous with quality, this folding saw is a game-changer for adventurers. With a 5-inch curved blade featuring precision ground teeth, it effortlessly glides through branches and wood, making it an essential tool for camping, hiking, and landscaping. The secure, non-slip rubber handle guarantees a comfortable grip, even during prolonged use. Its folding design and included carrying case ensure easy and safe portability. From trail maintenance to crafting, the Silky Pocket Boy 130 Folding Saw delivers unmatched performance in a small package. Elevate your outdoor experience with this versatile and reliable tool, setting new standards for cutting convenience. Number 2. 5.11 Rush 72 2.0 Tactical Backpack Military Mall Pack. The evolution of excellence in military-grade gear. Designed for those who demand durability and functionality, this backpack is a testament to 5.11's commitment to quality. With a spacious 55-liter capacity, it accommodates essential gear for extended missions or outdoor adventures. The versatile mall webbing allows for customizable attachments, while the rugged 1050D nylon construction ensures resilience in the harshest environments. The ergonomic shoulder straps and adjustable yoke system provide comfort even during prolonged wear. Featuring multiple compartments and pockets, the Rush 72 2.0 keeps your gear organized and easily accessible. Whether you're in the field or exploring the wild, this tactical backpack is the epitome of reliability, making it a staple for professionals and enthusiasts alike. Number 1. Kodiak Canvas Family Tents Kodiak Canvas Flex Bow Deluxe Tent. The ultimate family camping haven designed for comfort and durability. Crafted by Kodiak Canvas, renowned for exceptional quality, this tent redefines outdoor living. With a spacious layout, it accommodates the entire family and more, offering a home-away-from-home experience. The rugged flex bow frame combines strength with easy setup, ensuring stability even in adverse conditions. The Hydra Shield canvas fabric is breathable, watertight, and resistant, ensuring a cozy shelter year-round. Large-shaped doors, multiple windows, and ample headroom enhance livability. From camping to glamping, the Kodiak Canvas FlexBow Deluxe Tent is the pinnacle of outdoor luxury, promising memories that last a lifetime. Experience the blend of craftsmanship and innovation,